This is Beyond Real News.
Good evening or whenever. I'm your host, John Beyond. This just in. Dogs have been granted the right to obtain driving licenses. The DMV introduces barcode IDs for accurate identification, but parallel parking remains a bone of contention. Scientists unveil a device that translates baby cries. The device has revealed a secret plan for world domination using a demanding nap time schedule and excessive diaper changes. That's it for now. Use the link in the first comment for a lot more news stories. Please subscribe.